guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. We are in the kitchen. We're going to be doing a cooking video today, a simple, delicious menu. I would have done a Chinese menu sometime back with some fried rice, Chinese chicken, and some chow mein. Today I was in the mood for chickenlomein, so I said why not put together some chickenlomein and show you guys my version of this dish. Of course, before we jump into the video, guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. The bell notification button is just to simply notify you every time I post a video. You get a notification, so you get to check the video out one time, and of course share with all your friends and your family. So let's go through the ingredients we need for this recipe. I am going to be using some Chinese seasoning, cayenne pepper, some garlic powder, sesame oil, oyster sauce, chicken breast. I'll show you guys how I'm going to be slicing this up. I've got my chow mein noodles here, of course, and the vegetables. This is what I have on hand, but you can use just about anything in your lomein. So I'm going to be using cabbage, sweet pepper, carrot, onion, garlic, ginger, pimento, and some chopped side. And I forgot to mention we're going to be using some soy sauce in this as well. To start off, I am going to be putting this noodles to boil. I'm not adding any salt. We'll add salt when we are a little further along in the video. So I'm going to start off by slicing up my chicken breast. I'm not very good at deboning per se, but this bone, we'll save in this. I have some in the freezer and we'll make a chicken bone soup sometime. For my chicken breast, I am actually going to be slicing them up a little on the thin side, so I'm gonna half this one, and then I'm just gonna cut it into strips. This is what they look like, nice and thin. So I've got the chicken breast all sliced up here, so I'm just going to season it a little bit with some of the Chinese seasoning, some of the garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. Oh my god. Okay, that was a little much, guys, but that's okay. We don't need to add in the noodles. So yeah, no more cayenne pepper we're gonna need in the video, so it's all good. So the next thing I'm going to do is just prepare all the other vegetables, and I'm basically just going to be slicing each one thin as possible. And we're just going to do that for the sweet pepper, the carrot, and the cabbage. And the husband requested more veggies in this dish than the chicken, so we're going to be using as much veggies in it. Now this is one of those recipes that you can add, you know, any veggie and any amount that you like as well. So you want to try to cut the veggies equal size as possible so that there's even or, you know, uniform cooking. And pak choy or bak choy, it actually goes really nice in lomein as well. So if you have that, you know, feel free, go ahead and add it in. Carrots as thin as possible as well. And you want to check on the noodles. You don't want to overcook your noodles, most importantly. You don't want any sort of soggy-ish noodles in our lomein. So you want to cook it like until it's 3/4 way cooked through, and then when we add it to the pot with all the other veggies, it will finish cooking. So you don't want to add it, you don't want to overcook it. So let's check on it. Should be fine there. We'll take it off the heat and we'll just put together everything. So for my pimento, I'm cutting it in this sort of diagonal way. Nice look. So we're just going to grate the ginger and the garlic. The chive, if you're wondering, the chive, we're going to be cutting it in the same diagonal way too, and it's just more for garnishing purposes. We've got all the veggies prepared. We've got the noodles all finished. So let's just talk about the sauce real quick, how we're going to be adding to the noodles. So I've got some water in a bowl there. I'm going to be adding a little bit of the soy sauce. Now the soy sauce, it depends on what you have, what type you have, but you can go easy on this. This is the dark one that I have, so I'm not going to be adding much. And it will be, it has that salt factor in it as well, so you want to be mindful when you're adding it, because this Chinese seasoner we have also contains salt. We're going to be adding some of our oyster sauce, and in goes our soy sauce as well. So just mix this up. This is what we're basically going to be adding to the pot. So we are starting off by adding some oil to our pot, using olive oil. Don't think I mentioned that either. But don't worry, the list of ingredients will be down below. We're going to be starting off by cooking the chicken. So you're going to be adding the chicken to the pot. Now remember, the chicken was sliced up really thinly. So you're not going to be, it's not going to need much cook time. So in goes the garlic, the ginger, the onions, and some of our pimento. I'm keeping my heat between low and medium, and I'm just going to let this cook just for 1 to 2 minutes or so. Then in goes the vegetables. So of course you're going to let this cook down until you get that perfect crunchiness or tenderness to the vegetables. So if you like the crunchy veggies, crunchy on the crunchy side, you know, don't cook it for too long. If you like it a little more tender, not as crunchy as I prefer, let it cook down, but leave it a little crunchy because the husband prefers the crunchiness. So the heat now, I raise it just about to medium. So at this point, guys, we are going to add the sauce. Give that a quick stir. Now in goes the noodles, and I am adding some of the garlic powder. Toss this around. So I'm taking off my heat at this point. In goes my chopped up side. Of course, at this point, guys, be sure to taste it and add more of the Chinese seasoning if necessary. Extra pimento that we have there. Our chickenlomein is finished. Check it out. So colorful, so pretty, all the nice colors. See how nice the side they look on it. Extra nice garnish, and even the sliced up pimentos always helps with that extra nice garnish for the top of any dish actually. Chickenlomein, guys, smells so good. I was thinking about adding some shrimp inside too, but you always have that option. You could also do a beef lomein if you want, or you could just do straight up veggie. All up to you, you know, have fun with it. Have fun in the kitchen, most importantly. Try this recipe. I'm sure that you will love it. It's actually really nice. Comfort, like one dish, sort of, you know, full-in dish. You don't need anything else per se to enjoy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a try out. And like I said, check out the Chinese menu with the fried rice, the chow mein, and the Chinese style chicken. Will go perfect with this chickenlomein. So I'll post a link for that down below. You guys have been having fun in the kitchen. I am getting these lovely photos of all the dishes that you'll try, and quite a lot of you have been trying that Chinese menu, and you guys, it's been looking so good. So let's do some shout outs before I close off the video. So I'm just going to give guys a shout out, those of you who I would have added to my Facebook page just recently. Judy's Pizza looked fantastic. Farah tried the stew fish, and the rice as well looked pretty good. Callaloo, I have a callaloo. I need to do a new video on callaloo. I have one from a while back, but Alicia used the recipe and also Chris, and both of them came out so different, but they look so good. And Alicia tried my lentils recipe as well. I have that a while ago too. I need to probably redo a new one. And the Chinese menus, you guys keep them coming. Let's see if I find any here to shout out. Aisha with a Chinese menu. Kelly's Chinese menu looked great as well. And Natalie also whipped up some Chinese style chicken in there. So you guys send your pictures. Jenny also sent me her Chinese food recipe. So all of these pictures, I might miss some of you guys because I've been getting a lot, and you know, the timing of the videos and all of that. So if I don't give you a shout out in the actual video, be sure to check out all the photos on the my Insta stories, and they all eventually added to the Facebook album page as well. So like I said, guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. Try it out, add it to that Chinese menu as well, send me pictures, and of course, have fun with this recipe. Add as much veggies if you like, any amount. Be cautious when you're using the soy sauce, especially the dark one, the sodium content in that. And the Chinese seasoning has salt already in it, so just taste as you go along. I will list the ingredients down below, but this is one of those things that, you know, you guys can adjust accordingly. So have fun with it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.